Run out of skincare products? Run out of money? Well, it happens to the best of us. It's happened to me. But I realized that there are tons of face mask recipes out there to make at home, so here are a few recipes for homemade face masks for men to keep your skin in top conditions no matter what. Men with oily skin. Mix a half cup cooked oatmeal with an egg white, a half cup of mashed apple and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice into a paste. Allow oatmeal to cool. Apply to face and let set for 10 minutes. Wipe off with coarse cloth and rinse with lukewarm water. Men with dry skin. Combine 1 egg yolk with a half cup cooked oatmeal, half a mashed banana and a tablespoon honey. Allow to cool to the touch. Apply, let set for 15 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. Men with sensitive skin. Mix 1 whole egg, 1 half cup cooked oatmeal and 1 tablespoon almond oil. Allow oatmeal to cool to lukewarm. Apply to face and wait 10 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Gelatin mask. Mix 1 packet of unflavored gelatin with 1 tablespoon fruit juice like grapefruit, orange or lemon and heat in a microwave until warm. Apply to face in thin layer and let it dry to the touch. Then peel the mask off and rinse with cool water. Instant peel mask. So now there is no excuse for men to have good skin. Plus, using natural ingredients for skincare is easy and safe because there are virtually no side effects except better looking skin.